guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to share 4 fall upcycling DIYs that I recently made by some items that I found in my storage bins from decor last year. I do have one Halloween DIY in this video. I wasn't able to put it up before Halloween, so I decided to put it in this video. I do think that it goes with the fall theme. So anyway, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. I used most of the leaves on this in a previous project. I wasn't sure what to do with the leftover leaves, and this is what I'm deciding to do with this. I'm going to be using these small wreaths that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of 2, and I'm going to be gluing some pampas grass that I already had onto the wire. I'm super excited for fall. It's actually my favorite season. I know some people put up their Christmas decor already, but I'm not quite there yet. I usually put it up until after Thanksgiving. My favorite holiday is actually Thanksgiving, but I'm curious to know, when is your favorite season and when is your favorite holiday? Let me know in the comments. Once I finished covering the entire wire wreath with the pampas grass, I'm going to be taking some of these leaves and I'm going to be gluing this on top of the pampas grass. I painted these pumpkins in a previous DIY and I wanted to use these for this project. A lot of these items that I'm using are just items that I already had in storage or that I haven't used in a while, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on fall decor. I also want to save money for other things, and I feel like I'm starting to get to a point where I already have enough fall decor for my apartment. Now I'm going to take some of these flowers. They were in the storage. I just found them. I forgot I had them, honestly, and I'm going to be gluing them onto the wreath wherever I think would look best. I'm going to paint this pumpkin that I got a couple of years ago from the at-home store, and I'm going to use this wicker white shade by Folk Art. I'm going to be using this small brush around the stem just to make sure the white paint does not get onto the brown part of the stem. I used to like more pink decor whenever it was Halloween, but recently I've been getting more into the light neutral colors for Halloween. I'm going to be mixing these shades with the wicker white shade, and I'm also going to be mixing them with the baking soda. This is going to create a more textured look. I'm going to take a little bit of paint on this brush and I'm going to add it to the pumpkin. I'm going to paint in horizontal strokes. I don't want to paint the entire pumpkin. Once that dries, I'm going to be taking a little bit of a mixture of the white and the baking soda, and I'm going to be adding this to the pumpkin. I added a little bit too much of that cinnamony color to the pumpkin, but I still do want a little bit of dimension. Now I'm going to take these battery-powered fairy lights and I'm going to thread them inside of the pumpkin. The light that this originally came with actually stopped working, and I thought this pumpkin would look really adorable with some fairy lights. I'm I'm going to use this double-sided wall tape that I bought from Amazon a couple of years ago. I'm going to use this to attach the battery to the back of the pumpkin. This next project is very simple. I'm going to be using these same fairy lights and I'm going to put them inside of the pumpkin. I got this pumpkin from Burlington a little while ago for about $9 or $10, and these fairy lights were very inexpensive as well. I saw something like this in Hobby Lobby, but it was expensive. It was about $50 and I thought I could make my own instead. Now I'm going to zip tie the battery of the lights outside of the pumpkin. I found this in the storage bins. I got these from Michael's a couple of years ago. I want to use this paint for some of the leaves. I don't really like the mustard color or the reddish orange color too much on this. I'm going to be removing the leaves from this piece of twine, and after that I'm going to put the twine aside. This is what the leaves look like when they are finished. They definitely do suit my style better. Now I'm going to be threading them back onto the piece of twine. I bought this garland from Amazon recently, and I'm going to be tying these two together and twisting them around each other. I also really quickly want to share with you guys some candles that I have really been enjoying this holiday season. I got this Hot Cocoa and Cream by Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. It makes my entire apartment smell like hot chocolate. And I also got this Cinnamon Sugar Pretzel Cookie. I got both of these from Bath & Body Works. This one smells really good too. It smells like a cinnamon sugar cookie dough. It smells so delicious. That is everything for this video, and I will see you guys on my next one.